1.75 plus 0.01. When you are adding decimals, or when you have to add decimals, it's really just one rule to keep in mind, and that is to let me write this down. So we got 1.75 plus 0.01. What I'm gonna do is write that vertically. I'm gonna write that vertically, and I'm gonna make sure that the decimal points in both of these numbers, I'm gonna make sure that they are right on top of each other. So we got 1.75 right there. And then 0.01. And now that we have, we got both of these decimals lined up, we got to set up vertically, and that the decimal points are right on top of each other. Now we can just add these like whole numbers. We can just add both of these as if they were whole numbers. So again, 5 plus 1 is going to be 6. It's going to be 7. It's going to be 1. And then you just bring down that decimal. So 1.75 plus 0.01 is going to be 1.76. Let's do another example. Let's do 32.23, and we're gonna subtract. Let's get into some subtraction. We're gonna subtract 21.001. So this is no different from the last problem that we just did. Let's line these up vertically, and make sure that the decimal points are right on top of each other. So we got 32.23, and then taking away 21.001. Now, when you run into situations like this, so for example, one of these decimals has 3 places. It has 3 decimal places, and one of them only has 2. To kind of the easiest thing to do in a situation like this is you can just add in a 0 at the end of this decimal, 32.23. That doesn't change the value of the number. Now you can't put the 0, right up in there, because that'll change the value of the number. But for this problem right here, you can just add a 0 to make sure that both numbers have 3 decimal places, and then you can just subtract as normal. Oh no, yeah, like that. So 30 minus 0.1 is going to be 2.9. And 2 minus 0 is going to be 2. 2 minus 1, 1. And 3 minus 2, 1. So the answer, 32.23 minus 21.001, that's going to be 11.229. Let's do one more example. We're going to do 0.3617 plus 0.6710. Again, this problem is the same as the other two. Whenever you're adding or subtracting decimals, you just want to line up the numbers vertically and make sure that all of the decimals, you could have 3 decimal numbers, but but you just want to make sure that all of the decimals are right on top of each other when you arrange the numbers vertically. So we got 0.3617 plus 6710. And now that we got both of these numbers aligned vertically and both of the decimals are right on top of each other, we can just add these like regular numbers. So it's going to be 7, 2, 3, and this is going to be 1.0. So 0.3617 plus 0.6710 is 1.0327.